Hey everybody, Marion the Barbarian here, and we got an unboxing for you. I'm gonna hold it like this because I didn't scratch out the tag. But we got our handy dandy trusty box opener, and we're gonna give it an open. All right. This is a TRC purchase. There we go. One of the soaps that was an honorable mention for my top 10, click it back in, is in here. So that's pretty cool. More stickers. I mean, TRC always sends out the stickers. Oh, we got peanuts everywhere. Peanuts. Lodrino spring water, guys. Awesome scent. Had to pick it up. Finally came in. We got the matching splash aftershave lotion. I'm wondering, it says alcohol. Nice. All right. Sorry, I was curious because I know it comes from overseas. And, all right guys, y'all saw I picked up another brush handle. I've used it. Well, I kind of got its matching one. Matt Fox has the third one that's similar to this, and there were 3 handles like this, TRC handle. So, there we go. I like the looks of it. I've got a synthetic knot that'll go in it just fine. And look what came in, guys. I finally broke down and got it. The twig thorn and the twig razor stand. I mean, if you're gonna do it, you gotta get the stand, man. I don't know why I had to get the stand, but if and when we get back to shaving my head, I did enjoy the leaf twig razor. I assume I'll enjoy the thorn as well. And yeah. So we got a cool little base. We got berry blue, guys. Very cool. Very cool. Alright. Kind of want to look at the razor. Excited about it. Open it up. Ta-da! Oh. Got a bunch of half blades from Leaf. That's what I love about the twig and the thorn, this right here. Ta-da! Oh, crazy! Super smooth. That's really cool. But it's in berry blue. Looks good. Kind of want to double check the anodizing. It's not the, I'd say it's not the best finish, but the reason behind that is the finishing on the metal wasn't great before you anodized it. I can see the machining marks. While I'm looking down at it like this, you probably can't tell. Not as easy, but you can see the machining marks, and then it was anodized. Just want to take a look. Yeah, is what it is though. That's the only issue I see with it, just popping it out, that the anodizing on it, you can tell the metal wasn't finished great before they anodized it. That's all. Still a sweet little razor. All right, guys, that's it. Quick unboxing. You know the drill. Thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit that noti bell, and we will catch you next video.